Hi, today we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride 14,000-pound Gooseneck gravity tilt trailer. Now these trailers have become extremely popular recently due to the fact that they are so easy to load with no ramps needed. Part of the deck tilts for easy loading and is 17 feet long standard. The other part of the deck is stationary and can vary from 1 foot to 14 feet long depending on the overall length of the trailer. This model features an extra wide deck for larger equipment. So let's get started at the front and work our way to the back. Up front we have a 4-hole adjustable gooseneck coupler that allows you to adjust the height of your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure that your trailer is level while going down the road. Behind the coupler we have a heavy 8-inch channel tongue with gusset reinforcements. Others in the industry often use a lighter 6-inch channel, but we feel the 8-inch channel provides maximum strength and stability for a trailer of this size. Every Texas Pride trailer features all required DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, breakaway switch with long-lasting battery, and more reflective tape than you will find on most other trailers. On either side of the uprights, there are dual 12,000-pound heavy-duty drop leg jacks with spring return. Almost all Texas Pride Gooseneck trailers feature dual jacks for more stability and lifting power. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Walking around the side of the trailer, let's start with the main frame of the trailer, which uses a heavy 6-inch channel frame. The inside frame of the tilt bed is also 6-inch channel as well. And on the outside of the frame, we have stake pockets with a 2-inch rub rail for securing your load from almost every point on the trailer. This comes standard on these models. As we mentioned before, the 17-foot bed uses gravity to tilt for easy loading and unloading of your equipment. Included in the hydraulic system, there's a valve that allows you to lock the tilt bed in the up or down position. Locking the valve while the bed is in the up position ensures the bed will not go down while loading. This system gives you total control of the tilt bed's position and increases the safety of the operator. Another key feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced fenders. These fenders are purposely made to drive over and have traction bars welded to the front and back for maximum grip while loading and unloading, even in wet conditions. The deck is extended on either side of the frame to match the outside width of the fenders. This gives you an 80-inch width in between the fenders and 102 inches of deck outside to outside for extra wide equipment. The wide deck and drive-over fender combination give you one of the most versatile tilt trailers you can get. The cross members under the deck are 3-inch channel on 16-inch centers. Many other trailers this size often use lighter angle iron for cross members and place them on wider spacing, but we feel there should be plenty of support for varying loads. The decking is pressure-treated lumber and is fully screwed down to the cross members, ensuring it lasts for years of use. We also offer an upgrade to diamond plate steel flooring as well. For running gear, you have 2 heavy-duty 7,000-pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 4 wheels standard. If you get in a tight situation, you want all the braking power you can get. This trailer rolls on 4 16-inch premium radial 10-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels for maximum stopping power. There's also an option for an available spare tire and wheel that mounts inside of the gooseneck. Out of the way, yet easily accessible. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the hub center cap off and fit the grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. As we walk to the back of the trailer, we come to the tapered tail section of the tilt deck. The last 2 feet of the deck usually sees a lot of hard use when loading and unloading equipment. So we put sturdy diamond plate flooring on there for longer deck life and better traction. When it comes to the finish on a Texas Pride trailer, we spare absolutely no expense. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. Once again, thanks for taking the time to have a look at our Texas Pride 14,000-pound gooseneck gravity tilt trailer with extra wide deck.